news from Maharashtra. COVID patients are being overcharged in the Ahmednagar district by private hospitals, and despite an order from the Assistant Commissioner to pay back to the patients after an audit, private hospitals aren't paying them back. Sohit Mishra reports.
While the COVID cases in Maharashtra's Ahmednagar is rising, and what we are saying is there is almost no bed left in the hospitals, another thing that has come forward is that the private hospitals are overcharging the patients, after which an audit has been done by the government, by the Deputy Commissioner over here. But despite that, and despite ordering the private hospitals to pay back to the patients or their relatives, nothing is happening. So we will be showing you some documents that what is happening in rural Maharashtra, how the hospitals are overcharging, and no one is asking the government that what is being done against these private hospitals who are overcharging the patients. Sir, आप अपना नाम बताइएगा, आपके कौन एडमिट थे, कितना आपका खर्चा हुआ था, फिर आपको क्या कुछ कहा गया, कितना पैसा आपको वापस मिलना, सब बताइए। पहले अपना नाम।
मेरा नाम है महेंद्र कोड़ी।
ठीक है।
और मेरे पिताजी सुरभि हॉस्पिटल में कोविड के इलाज के लिए एडमिट किए गए थे जुलाई में। ठीक है। कितने दिनों के लिए एडमिट किया गया? 13 दिन के लिए मेरे पिताजी को एडमिट किया गया था और 13 दिन का बिल 1.5 लाख के ऊपर निकाला गया था। लेकिन गवर्नमेंट ने ऑर्डर किया है और हमने भी उनको पूछा है कि इतना बिल हमसे ज़्यादा क्यों ले रहे हैं। तो गवर्नमेंट ने ऑर्डर किया है कि 37,000 वापस देना है। तो गवर्नमेंट का ऑर्डर होके भी सुरभि हॉस्पिटल वाले प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल है वो पैसे नहीं दे रहे हैं।
So what you are seeing over here is that the amount that has been charged is 1,19,414 rupees. After the audit was done, what is seen is that the actual amount that should have been charged was 82,314 rupees. They have charged 37,100 rupees extra from this one gentleman, and if you see at the audit, there are people who have been charged 34,000 extra, 32,800 extra, 33,500 extra, 37,100 extra. Now remember that these are the people who belong to middle class or lower middle class. There are workers who are taking loans and paying to the hospitals, but the hospitals are overcharging, and despite the order from the Deputy Commissioner, there are more than 3,000 people whose audit is happening as of now, but the private hospitals aren't paying them despite the order from the government, and there are several such similar incidents happening in several places in rural Maharashtra, which due to which the question arises on the government that what exactly is the government doing to ensure that the private hospitals don't overcharge the patients getting admitted over there. In Ahmednagar with Sagar Dusal and camera person Praveen Jirohit, Sohit Mishra, NDTV.